Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be sharing with you my mother-in-law's incredibly juicy and amazingly flavorful kofta kebab recipe. For this recipe I'm actually using ground beef, but you can always substitute it with any meat of your choice. Since this basic kebab recipe freezes well and can be used in many ways, I like to freeze some of the partially cooked kebabs minus the sauteed vegetables and the baking stuff, of course, for another time. So if you have a busy lifestyle, I say give it a try. For this recipe, the vegetables need to be pureed or blended. Now the spices and the quantity that I'm adding here might seem like a lot, but trust me, when mixed well with the meat, it adds flavor without being overpowering. All I'm doing here is a quick saute. I don't want the vegetables overcooked, as I will be layering it over the kofta kebabs and placing it in the oven later. Time to make our kofta kebabs. I like to make mine more like a flat egg shape, if that makes any sense, kind of like what you're seeing right here. But you can make them into round balls or flat patties. Cook each side for about 4 minutes or until golden brown, and then transfer it to a casserole dish. Bring in the sauteed vegetables, layer it over the koftas, and top it off with fresh tomatoes. Add a tablespoon of the leftover oil. Cover with foil and cook it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. And just like that, boom! I will be serving this tonight with some white rice and bologna. I don't know about you guys, but I am starving and I can't wait to dig in and enjoy my dinner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time.